Welcome another session on CA Foundation Mathematics. Now we are going to start with a new chapter, that is time money. This chapter is the most important in your CA Foundation curriculum of paper 3. This chapter having a weightage of 10 to 14 marks. From 10 marks, maximum 14 marks in your main examination. Okay, which you are going to face. Okay, this time value of money is having a weightage of how many marks? (14 marks). This is your A category chapter. Okay, what is time value of money? Why is time value of money? Currently, the money is much of amount. What is the money? I use it in your future. Okay, so the time value of money chapter has been built upon. Okay, this time value of money chapter divided into two main parts. Is regarding interest part. One is regarding interest and another one is regarding annuity. Annuity is also known as perpetuity. Annuity is also known as perpetuity. Before getting into this chapter, I want each and everyone to have their calculators handy. To have their calculators handy. Okay, so now this time value of money is divided into interest part and its annuity part. This interest is subdivided into three parts. One is simple interest. Next one is a compound interest. Next one is a effective rate of interest. Next one is what? Effective rate of interest. It is further divided into three. Okay. These annuities is further divided into two. One is present value. One is what? Present value. And next one is what? Future value. This is only two. One is present value, one is regarding future value. What is simple interest? First, today's our main agenda is to complete the simple interest problems. Okay, this first session is going to purely on simple interest. Okay, this simple interest will be interest is calculated annually. In this, principal is going to remain same. Principal will remain same. Next, every year, amount of interest also going to be same. These are the main 3 points. Amount of interest is also same. Your interest is further divided into 3. What are they? Simple interest, compound interest, effective rate of interest. Annuity is further divided into present value and future value. What is the simple interest? What are the characteristics of simple interest? Interest is calculated annually. Principal remains same. Every year, amount of interest remains same. Okay, this is regarding about simple interest on the time value of money chapter. First, before getting into the sums, you should know the symbolic in the simple interest. Symbols which you are using the short terms, that thing you need to know. Put a heading simple interest. Okay. Now we'll give you P indicates principal. P indicates what? principal. Okay. Then A indicates amount. T or N indicates number of years. This and all you already learned it in your 8th, 9th, 10th curriculum itself. Okay, there is nothing more difficult in this chapter. R indicates rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest. This I indicates R divided by 100. Even you can measure it in this way or this way, any one. Okay, R by 100. Can I give some example? Can I give you some example?
Yes, sir.
6%. Let's say R is equal to 6%. Then I is equal to 6 by 100. Therefore, 0.06. Let's say if it is 10%, 10 by 100 is nothing but 0.1. If it is a 8%, 0.08. Like this is the I. Okay. Now we will go for the two remember points. What are the points you need to remember while doing a sum? To remember. First, I will give you the formula in a box. Just note it down. Simple interest. SNK simple interest is equal to P or T by 100. P for principal, R for rate of interest, T for time. That is number of years divided by 100. Or you can use P N I. This is also possible. Or you can use PNR by 100. P for principal, N for number of years, R for rate of interest. In this three formula, you can use anything. Okay, simple interest formula is equal to PRT by 100 or PNI or PNR by 100. What is A? A is indicates amount. A is equal to principal plus interest. What is the amount I need to pay to the bank, or what is the amount I need to pay to the XY person at the end of the year? That is, along with the principal, I need to pay the interest. If they are asking the amount, it is nothing but P plus I, or else I will derive that. P remains same. I indicates interest. How I am going to find out the interest? PNI. Is it right? PNI. In this, I will take the P common outside. So it will be 1 plus NI. 1 plus NI formula. This one of the formula. This is also one of the formula. Okay. Then I will give you one more formula also. Alternative to this. Give the alternatives also. Don't worry. Now, A is equal to will remain the same. 1 plus for this Ni, shall I substitute RT or N for this Ni, shall I substitute RT or NR? Anything you can substitute and you can put RT by 100. Any formula for your remember purpose, you can remember and you can apply and you can find out your answers. Is it easy? Shall we move
Yes,
on?
sir.
Yes. First, let us remember something, just revise it something and get back to the second part. Time value of money, the most important chapter in your CA foundation curriculum. It is divided into majorly two. One is interest, one is annuity. First of all, I will want to tell you this entire chapter we are going to play with the tricks and calculators. Some of them will took 1 minute or 1.1 minute 30 seconds to complete this sum. But we are going to solve maximum within 30 seconds to 40 seconds to derive the answer. Maximum, I'm saying. Okay. First, we are going to majorly concentrate on simple interest. Simple interest is divided into 3. What are they? Main characteristics annually. Interest is calculated annually. Principal remains the same. Every year amount of interest remains same. The P denotes principal, A for amount, T or N for number of years, R for rate of interest. I is another alternative. Small I is an alternative for R by 100. What are they remembering to formula? Yes, simple interest is equal to P and I or PRT by 100 or PNR by 100. What is the amount formula? Principal plus interest. When we derive that, we will get this one. When we'll derive this first one, we will get this formula. From this, we can substitute anything. Okay. Now we will see. I will want to give you some notes to you, which will help you in your main examination. Okay. Suppose in your question, they are saying amount or sum of money doubles itself in if they are asking like this, or second one, amount or sum of money triples itself in how many years? Like this, they are asking a question. No, what you are going to do? Just take 100, put divided by R value is the years you will get. 200 for triples, you need to put 200. From this, we will derive something. What you are going amount or sum of money n times. If they are asking n times itself in how many? What you are going to do? N minus 1 into R by 100 years. Suppose if they are asking for how sum of money 4 times itself in how many years? 300 divided by R. Okay. How this 100 will come now? N minus 1 into 100 doubles itself. N value is 2 minus 1 into 100 divided by R value. Let's say 10 into years. So it will be 100 by R years. Like this, it has been derived. Okay. This is a main important notes regarding the tricks which I wanted to give you regarding simple interest problem. Okay. Shall I give you a few sums?
Yes, sir.
Shall we see few sums? Yes. Example 1. Let's say principal is equal to 4,000. Interest rate is equal to 6%. T is equal to 2 years. What is the formula? PNR by 100 or PRT by 100, right? 4,000 into 6% into 2 divided by 100. This is one thing. Okay. PRT by 100, 6 into 2. What you're going to do, take a calculator. I will give you 3 to 4 ways to calculate this sum. Okay. From this, you can choose. Okay. First one. 4,000. This formula, which formula we are using? PRT by 100. Okay. So PRT by 100, take a calculator. 4,000 into multiply by 6, multiply by 2, divided by 100. What is the answer? 480. This is one. Or what is another formula you are having? PNI. For that, you are going to find out I value. What is I value? 0.06. What you are going to do? 4,000 into 0.06 into 2. Take a calculator. 4,000 into 0.06 into 2. What is the value? Same 480. Or I will give you one more thing. What is another formula you are having? This T you are taking as N. Okay, that is PNR. PNR by 100. What you are going to do? The same thing only, the same replica only. 4,000 into 6 into divided by 2 into 100. This way you can do. Or I will give you one more thing also. Okay. I will give you one more thing, that is calculator trick. Calculator trick I will give you. $4,000 plus 6%. You will get for the first year 240. Okay. Plus you will add, means you will get with the wrong answer. For this, you can calculator tricks. You can use the simple one because this thing and all is very difficult for you. Yes, you can use the same thing. Okay, you can use the same. For this, there is no calculator X. You can simply go with the question itself. Okay, then I will give you the second problem. Yeah, we have one more formula, no? That formula we can apply. Yeah. Hope I am audible, right? Hope I am audible, right? Hello. I'm audible or not? Yes. We will go for, and we have one more thing also. Suppose if they are asking any amount in this question, we will put which formula? P into 1 plus Ni. What is P? Principal 4,000 into 1 plus N. What is the N value? What is the N value? N value is 2. What is I value? It is 0.06. If we done also, we will get what? 2 into 0.06, you will get 0.12 plus 1. It is 1.12 into 4,000. You will get 4,480. Suppose if this question is asking you to find out the amount, you can use this formula. Our amount is equal to principal plus interest. You already know the principal, that is 4,000. You already know the interest, that is 480. Therefore, amount is equal to 4,480. This is also is one way to find out the amount. Okay, this is also one way to find out the amount. Next, I will give you the few questions which you can try. Okay, Atmika, take your notes and get ready. First question. Yes, certain sum of money amounts to rupees 6,300. This is not only a past paper question. Okay, the same model questions in 2 years and rupees 7,875 in 3 years, 9 months. Like this, they have given to you at simple interest. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest per annum. Let's say the option given to you is 10%, B 20%, C 15%, D 12%. Let's say they have been given to you. how we are going to approach this question. What they are saying, the sum of money amounts to 6,300 in 2 years. I am putting sum of the principal. That principal along with this interest has doubled it to 6,300 in 2 years and 7,875 in 3 years, 9 months at the rate of simple interest only. So if this kind of question is given to you from your mind, you need to do two things. Okay, what are you going to do? First, take the principal. You don't know the principal value, what you are going to do, but you know two things. One is for 2 years, one is for 3 years, 9 months. What is the 2 years value? 6,300. What is the 3 years, 9 months value? 7,875. 7,875. Shall I say 3 years, 9 months means 3 years, 9 months means 9 by 12. If I cancel this 3 by 4, if it is 3 by 4, shall I say it is 3.75 years? Is it right? Is it right? The difference between these two is how many years? 1.75 years. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The difference between this 7,875 and this difference is how much? This difference is how much? Take a calculator and say, what is the difference?
1,575.
Very good. 1,575 divided by how many number of years?
1.75.
Divided by 1.75. What is the value we're getting?
900.
900. 900 is your interest value. But what they are asking? ROI, rate of interest. What is the rate of interest formula? What is the simple interest formula? PNR by 100. Okay, but what is the simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. From this, you know, interest is 900. Okay, interest is 900 for 1 year. Principal value you don't know. Number of years, from what you can do now, you can reduce this 900 2 times from 6,300. It means you will end up with what? Principal value of 4,500. Okay, this is going to be your principal value. So from this, what you can do, they are asking from this formula, you can derive this. Okay, what you can do now, rate of interest is equal to interest divided by 4,500 into 100. What is the thing? How many percent? 20%. How many percent? 20%. Okay. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. First step, I will remember. First, take this and divide it into two arrows. First thing, write the first value and the second value. This is the first thing. If anything is given in 3 years, 9 months, 3 years, 6 months and all, do it in fraction and write it in point value. This is your second one. Then take a difference of years. Then fourth step, take the difference of amount. From this difference, this formula I will write, that is difference in amount divided by difference in years. You can create own formulas on whatever method you are easy, you can choose your own formula. Okay, orally also based on the 2 to 3 some 4 some practice now repeatedly, you can do it orally also. 2 years, 3 years, 9 months. If it is in 3 years, 9 months, 3.75 years. The difference between 2 is 1.75. Take a calculator. 7,875 7875 divided by 1.75. Orally you can solve. Orally if you have solved now, what is the value? You will get 900. 900 is a 1 year interest. If I want to know the principal, they are asking rate of interest. If I want to know the rate of interest, first I need the main principal. How I am going to find out the main principal? I am deduct 2 times 900 from the 6300 value. Okay, then I will get with 4500. 4500 is my principal. 900 is for 1 year. 4500 is my principal. So what is my another formula I am deriving? R is equal to interest divided by principal into 100. This is also one formula. You can make it on your own for a remembering purpose. Are you able to understood? Shall we give you one more sum? Shall I give you one more sum? Shall I give you one more sum?
Yes.
What is the rate of simple interest if a sum of money amounts to 2784 in 4 years and 2688 in 3 years? 2688 in 3 years. If they are given, what you are going to do, Atmika? Take this and put 2. One is 688. It is 3 years. One is 2784. It is 4 years. Okay, the difference between 2 is 1 year. The difference between the amount is how much? 2688, 2784. The difference of amount is how much?
96.
96, just only 96. What is the first formula? Difference in amount divided by difference in years. What is the 96 divided by 1 is what? My interest is going to be 96. If I want to know for 3 years, minus 96, minus 96, minus 96. What? Simply take my calculator. 26, take a calculator. 96 into 3, m plus 2688, m minus MRC. What is the value I am getting? 2400. Take a calculator. Put 96 into 3, m plus 2688, m minus. Then press MRC, you will get with minus 2400. Avoid the minus. Okay, then you will end up with 2400 is your principal value. What is the rate of interest formula? I divided by P into 100. So I is 96 divided by 2400 into 100. 96 divided by 2400 percentage. You will end up with how many percentage? 4 percentage. Is it easy? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I will give you one more question. Borrowed amount is 2000. At the end of the year, I want my total amount is 2100. Number of years is equal to 6 by 12 years. This 3 things only given to you. They are asking you to find out or what are you going to do, Atmika? Which approach you are going to do? Borrowed amount means it is nothing but your principal, right? A is amount. A is equal to, P plus I. N is 6 by 12 means N is equal to, shall I write it 0.5 years? 0.5 years. I know one formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus Ni. From this A I know 2100 equal to principal I know it is 2000. 1 plus N I know it is 0.5. I don't know. So if I do this, these 2 zeros, those 2 zeros will cancel. 21 divided by 20 equal to 21 divided by 20. This plus 1 comes to this side, it will go to minus 1 equal to 0.5i. If I done this, what is the thing? 21 minus 20 divided by 20 equal to 0.5i. If I done this, 1 by 20 is equal to 0.5 I. Okay. Therefore, I is equal to 1 divided by 20 into 0.5. Therefore, I is equal to 0.1. If I is equal to 0.1, R is equal to how much? 10%. This is another way. This is another way. If they are given for only 1 year, the only one value, if they are not giving two years value, other third year, fourth year, third year or fifth year, like this, if they are not given, you can do it. Is it easy? Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is also one more method, that is a calculated method. If they're having this method, if they know the n, suppose let's say option A is going to be, let's say if option A is going to be 5%, option B is going to be 10%, option C is going to be 15%, option D is going to be 20%. Like this, if they are given in your question, already it is a MCQ paper, you are already given with your answers itself in your question paper. But you are going to just choose the thing, whether it is A, B, or C, or whether it is a D. Okay, you know the principle PNR by 100. What is the formula? You know P, you know N. Just take it and use trial and error method. Take the 5%, 2000 into 2000 into what is first rate of interest? 5% into 0.5. What is the value you are getting? 2000 into 5% into 0.5. What you are getting? You are only getting 50. So this is wrong. What is the next thing? Then B option. Okay. 2000 into 10% into 0.5. You are getting with 100. Interest is equal to 100. But I know the amount value. What is amount value? 2100. What is my principal? 2000. 2000 plus 100, 2500. So option B is right. Better. If you are going to use trial and error method, what you are going to do now? Always choose the option B. From the option B, you need to choose your trial and error. Then go for C. Okay. And D, and at last come to A. Mostly your answers won't directly in your option A. The examiner knows everyone, some of them will do trial and error method. So, and if there are 10 questions, out of 10 questions, only 2 questions will be your A answers. Maybe 2 to 3 will be your A. Remaining and all will be in the B, C, D options only. Okay, so you can use that way also, calculator tricks. Take a calculator, apply the formula and get your answers. Is it easy? Shall we go to next thing?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
go to? Yes. This is one little bit tricky. So be concentrate, sit straight. Okay. Now, if simple interest on a sum of money, and I will give you time to copy down in your notebook. Just listen to the classes. If you listen to the classes, 80% of the learning is over. Okay. 7 years is equal to twice of simple interest on another sum for 9 years at 5% per annum. What is the ratio will be? You are asking what? What is the ratio? You are not asking the any value. If a simple interest on a sum of money is 6% for 7 years is equal to twice of simple interest of another sum of 9 years at 5%. So you know interest one is going to be principal one into 6% into 7 years. What is your interest two? Interest 2 is going to be principal 2 into 5% into 9 years. Is it right? I'm just writing in a mathematical expression form. So what they are saying, this sum of money is equal to twice sum of another. Okay, so I1 is equal to 2I2. Just substitute this. P1 into 6% into 7 equal to 2 into P2 into 5% into 9. What I'm doing, just cancelling it. If I am going to cancel it, okay, na? This will be 3, this will be 2. Okay, this 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is how much? 3 paisa. Percentage will get cancelled. Okay, so remaining will be P1 into 7 equal to P2 into 15. P1 divided by P2 is equal to 15 divided by 7. 15 divided by 7. Therefore, the ratio will be 15:7. Okay, the ratio will be 15:7. Is it easy? Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. 2 more to go, 2 to 3 more sums to go. After this, simple interest topic will be getting over in just an half an hour. By a mistake, who is done a mistake? A clerk is doing a mistake. Always the clerks are be like this, doing the clerical errors. So they calculated the simple interest on principal for 5 months at 6.5 interest instead of they want to calculate for 6 months, but what they have mistakenly calculate for 5 months at 6.5 interest, actually 6 months for 5% interest. If the error in calculation was, what is the error value? 25.40. The original sum of principal is what? Original sum of principal was how much? They are asking. Okay, let's say simple interest for 5 months is P into 5 by 12 into what they have done 6.5%. Okay, simple interest for 6 is nothing but P into 6 by 12 into 5.5%. Okay, the same thing I am doing. The difference between SI6 minus SI5 is going to be how much? 25.440 paise. So what I'm doing, I'm just substituting this P into 5 into 6.5 divided by 12 into 100. The percentage I'm converting minus principal into, okay, principal into 6 into 5.5 divided by 12 into 100 I am doing. So it equals to 25.40 paise. 25.40 paise. If I done this 12, this will get cancelled. Okay, just do it randomly. If you done this now, you will be getting value P. If you take common P outside, if you done this, you will get 33. Or else you can do it in another way. Don't do anything. Okay, take the P outside. 6 into 5.6, 5 into 6.5 is how much? 32.5. Okay, just a minute. X6 value is what? Sorry, S6 only now. X6 is nothing but 2 into 5.5. S4 value is what? 5 into 6.5. 6 into 5.5 value is now nothing but what? 33. 5 into 6.5 value is nothing but what? 32.5 divided by, you are having 12 into 100 is nothing but 12,200 into 25.4. In the next step, P into 33 minus 32.5 25.4 multiplied by 1200. You will getting what? 30,480. Okay, 30,480. P is equal to 0.5 equal to 30,480. So principal is equal to how much? 60,690. You can avoid this step. You can avoid this step. You can do it by seeing the question also. You can do it on your own. By seeing this question, you have the 6%. What you are going to do? I will give you one more method. Just tricky method. 6 months, 5.5. Multiply this. What is the value you are getting? 33. Multiply this with 5. You are getting 32.5. Take the difference. 0.5. Keep it in that side. You are having what? 25.40. You are not calculating any percentage now. Multiplied by months only. It is not in years. So it is nothing but multiply this 12. Months means it is 12. For 1 year, it is per annum, no? Per annum, it is percentage. So per annum means you are having 12 months. Percentage is nothing but 100. 100 into 12, 1200. So 1200 into this only the value is remaining. So you can do 25.40 into 1200 divided by 0.5. You will be end up with 60,690. Any method based on your practice, you can skip the steps and you can create your own method also to find out the answer. This max paper, this time value of money will be helping for you in your intercurriculum. Here and there the steps will come for a calculation purpose. This not simple interest, compound interest, the present value, future value will be coming to you. Okay, this is how it will work. Is it, are you able to understand? Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. The last question of the simple interest problems. If sum of money triples in 15 years at simple interest, then what is the rate of interest they are asking? If they give the rate of interest, you will easily find out. What is the formula? 100 by R. For triples means it is nothing but 200 by R for the amount of years. If you want to find out, they are already given the years. What you are going to do? 200 divided by R is equal to 200 divided by 15. 200 divided by 15 is what? Rate of interest is going to be what? 13.33%. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. With this, your simple interest concept is getting over. Now it is time to take your screenshots. Those who are watching online, the screenshot mode is not available. You need to pass your screen and then you need to copy down in your notebook and you can resume your lectures hereafter. Okay, for those who are attending the live, you can easily take your screenshots. Just take it down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Take this part.
Yes, sir.
Now take this.
Yes, sir.
Take this sum.
Yes, sir.
Take this.
Yes, sir.
Take out this sum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take it as
Yes, sir.
Finally. Okay. Yes, taken good. This step no, which I am given to you know, this is a short trick. Do you need the real actual method? Or you just need the trick?
Trick is fine.
Trick is fine. If I go for the actual method no, it will take one half a page. One and a half page or 1/3/4 of the pages it will be. Okay. So shall I give you one more final question, which will be little time consuming sum? Shall we do one more sum? One last sum.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one last sum. Okay, which you need to be concentrate. Okay, those who are feeling drowsy, sit back, sit straight. This is not a time to sleep. So while watching the recording and all, for some students it will take some more time to complete the lecture. So be conscious, be dedicated to your curriculum, be dedicated to your studies also. Okay, now let's say they have given 4 values. They are given whole amount of let's say 44,000. Okay, this 44,000 totally has been given for 2 years. For someone, it is going to be 3 years. And next one, if it is going to be 6 years. What is the rate of interest has been given to 6%, 8%, and 6%. This is the rate of interest. So I will take X, I will take this Y, and I will take this Z. How I am approaching the sum, it will be little lengthy. There can be no tricks and all. You can just see it. Okay. The simple interest 1 equal to, I'm just writing, I don't know the X principal value. So X into 6 into 12, 2 divided by 100. Is it right? Simple interest 2 is nothing but what? Y into 3 into 8 divided by 100. Yes, 3 is what? Z into 6 into 6 divided by 100. This is nothing but, it is nothing but what? 12x by 100, 24 y by 100, 36 z by 100. Is that right? So I know x value plus y value plus z value is total principal value is only 44,000. So I will do x is equal to, okay, x is equal to, I wanted everything to be in proper way. So this 12, 24y, 336 z. Is it in the same way? ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா? 12x, 24y, same table. It is recurring in same table. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what I am going to do this. Simple interest 1 is equal to simple interest 2 is equal to simple interest 3. It is nothing but 12x by 100 equal to 24y by 100 equal to 36z by 100. So from this 100, 100, 100 common 100 will get cancelled. If I want to make the base same, I will divide by everything by 12. It means x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. Are you getting this point? Are you getting this point? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3z. So I will say x is equal to 2y. We say x is equal to 2y. It means 2y is equal to 3z. X is equal to 2y means 2y is equal to what? 3z. Okay, x is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to 3z. So 2 by 3 y equal to z. Are you okay with this?
Yes,
Are you okay
sir.
with this? With this, one more step is more. Then I will come back and I will substitute here. X is equal to what? 2y plus y remains same y. Z remains what? 2 by 3 y equal to everything now comes under a common variable y. It is 44,000. You can make it common variable x's also. Okay, x also you can make it as a common variable. Here the common variable is going to be y. Now I multiply this with the 3. 3 into 2y is equal to 6y plus 3y plus 2y equal to 44,000 into this 3 will go to this side multiplied by 3. If I done this, 11y is equal to 1,32,000. Therefore, y is equal to 12,000. My y value I found out. What is here? I need to find out only x value. What is the x value? X is equal to 2 into y. Now 2 into y is how much? Y is 12,000. Therefore, x is equal to 24,000. Therefore, 2 by 3y is equal to z. 2 by 3 into 12,000 equal to z. If I cancel this, it is going to be what? 3 fours are 12. 2 fours are 8. 8,000 is equal to z. So x, y, z variable you can easily find out. Okay, this is little bit lengthy and it is time consuming also. If it is given in your examination, you can choose this sum as your last sum. Okay, if your time permits, you can do this. If question paper is so much of tough, but you already know this question, then you are going to do this. Based on the situation, you are going to approach the sum or you are going to choose the sum and you can get your answers. Okay, with this, the concept of simple interest is not over. We are only seeing my classes, my notes. We are not saying going to ICA material. So in our next session, I'm going to specifically do only the ICA exercise problem, which has been given in your ICA study material. With this, we are going to wrap your first session on time value of money. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed the lectures. We will see it. We have seen it in another session. We will doing exercise problem. Have a good day. Thank you.